Lucky from Busted Stud, working on the big block project again. Ran into a little snafu with the fan. There's two different bolt patterns for the fan, and the one I was gonna use as a smaller bolt pattern. So I had to go find another fan for it, but we're gonna put it on now, so I'll show you what we're working on. Yeah, so here's the fan I was gonna use. It's off the small block. The problem is the distance between these bolt holes is too small. They actually come with two different sizes, so can't use that. I dug this one up. Let's see if we can get a good vantage of it there. Yeah. Just gonna finish putting it on. Okay, so all right, so just gonna blast it on real quick. Okay, I'm gonna tighten it down with the wrench. Then I'm gonna try to throw the shroud on. Okay, that one's tight. That one's tight. That one's tight. That one's tight. So we're gonna throw the shroud on now. We're gonna kind of snake it in there. We'll throw the shroud right here, then the radiator, and then we'll be one step closer. So that's what we're working on today.